working on a challenge which is called lookup-rev, and when we download the file, it gives us this, and when we run it, it is very slow and it will take forever. So let's see what this program does. So we have a function to check if a number is prime, and it is sequence function to turn to generate some kind of a number. And this is the key, and these are numbers. These are numbers, and this checks if the number converted to this number is a prime number, and if it's a prime, then it XORs the key by that number, and then key.bob, it goes to the next number, and it keeps on adding 1 to I, so it'll be 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, so it'll keep on looping on. So let's see what numbers are getting XOR'd by. So maybe we can look up those numbers, and then we can maybe try to get flag, like what numbers we will XOR by, and just try to get a flag from it. So we see the numbers 2, 3, 6, and 30. So let's look around 2, 3, 6, and 30, but we don't really get anything. So how about let's generate some of these generate numbers using the sequence method. So how about let's print sequence I. That, and then we basically just run it, and it will just generate this long big list of numbers for us. Let's stop the program right there, and let's look up some of these up. Basically something like this, and it shows that these are Woodall numbers. So we know that it checks for a Woodall prime, so it XORs by every Woodall prime. So let's look up the Woodall primes here, and we only get the top 20, but let's see how long this key is. So len key just show us how long the key is. So it's 33 characters long, but this one is just 20. So how about let's look up the generalized Woodall primes, some primes that are already known. So let's go to this Wikipedia page, and at the bottom section it talks about the Woodall primes. So we saw that the numbers that are XOR'd by is 2, 3, 6, and 30. So we see that this is the one. So how about let's get a longer list, and we have like 34. So this is like right enough for our flag, and right here even provide a list for us, so we can just copy this into our code. This is the primes, and we don't need this last one because that's an extra one, and then we can just XOR them by the key. So for line in primes, XOR key 0 by line by 100, and then basically just using this key.pop function, it will shift from XORing the first one to the second one to the third one. So let's run this program function to see what we get, and we just get our flag right there. ICTF lookup Woodall primes and some random strings. So let's submit this to the bot. Let's reformat this. Or how about this? Let's not waste time doing this, and then this, and then we just replaced all the spaces in CyberChef. So this in and find and replace. Find new line and we can paste there, and then we just get our flag there, and we've just solved the challenge.